Boom. What they know about that? Oh, boom. All right, we're back, guys. Let me clean up these zins. Let me clean up these zins real quick, guys. All right. In all seriousness, let's do a trade recap. So I went paper today. I went paper because I woke up kind of late and I missed the move. Ideal entry was definitely the longs around like 950, 940. Like 945, bro, right here. This was definitely ideal. 140 points. I did get 60 points. Oh wait, I entered way early. Got entered like right here, so I got like 50 points. But yeah, that was a good trade overall. Overall, um, yeah, basically basis for entry. We ran 160 points. I'm imagining we're gonna keep going because we also had this 15-minute high that we didn't take out yet, which we're about to take out on NQ. But yeah, I mean that's the obvious draw liquidity. What was we swept this low right here. So next draw liquidity is right there to see what price is doing. And yeah, that was my trade, guys. That was my trade. So W's in the chat. Let's run back testing now. I'm doing October, which was pretty bad, but I don't really care. I'm gonna back test it anyway. I'm gonna back test it regardless, bro. Next name. Alright. Word. What are we doing here? So this is the second No News Tuesday, but it's running this much. Kind of conflicting, guys. This is low-key conflicting. Well, I want to see what happens at that draw. Okay. So PXL. We disrespected that SMT that we had there. So I'm going to take a short towards like that draw. For like a 1-to-1 roughly. Roughly a 1-to-1. Okay, we gotta stop it all. No, we just chopped around. So No News Tuesdays are shit. It's really that simple. Oh, that was a No News Thursday. So still shit. Okay. Here we have 10 a.m. Is that 10 a.m.? What's my time at? Hold up. Okay, there we go. So 8 a.m. PMI. Or no, 10, that is 10 a.m. That is 10 a.m. Okay, word. 10 a.m. PMI, 8:15. Oh, now we're at the same. Fucking hell, dude. Come on. Let's lock in, bro. Right. Yeah, no news Thursday. But on this Friday, we do actually have 10 a.m. PMI. So I want to see how that's looking here. So we have SMT with this high here, the 940. SMT respected. If I can get a rebalance. Okay, now it looks like we're going to keep going higher. I'm going to wait for 10 a.m. in this case. Maybe I won't. This looks really good. Boom. W's in the chat, guys. Bullish SMT. It's just a little early to think about taking entries. Okay, we ran the SMT. I think we still have SMT with this low, maybe? Okay, so I think we're still bullish. What are we doing on the 15-minute? We actually look kind of bearish. Okay, no news Monday, so price action is going to be overall lower probable. I don't want to take this now. Alright, I'm going to take this. Target that high for 50 points. Okay, stopped out. RIP. That was just choppy price action, honestly. Extremely choppy price action. I don't really know what to think here, honestly. We haven't swept either of these highs. And it's a no news Tuesday. So it might be the same type of thing. So eventually we did run to that high. Yeah, this just looks terrible. Go to the next. See like CE of this range. Right, so we're displacing through CE. I don't really need that high marked out. If we're gonna go to a high, it's probably gonna be that one. Even though it's a lot of ground to cover. Fuck, dude. I'm just gonna target like 30 points, 40 points. Alright. So we have SMT with that low, just conveniently marked out for us already. Want to see if we get a reaction off this one. Beautiful. Rip. That was a really good setup, but it just didn't work out. Oh. No wonder. No wonder, bro. SMT there. How many points is this? Like 80? 70, 80 points. Still running it. Okay, beautiful. That's what I want to see. Target the low. This doesn't look too good, honestly. We're kind of just chopping around. Bro. We have SMT here. So there's no SMT there, so we should eventually. Okay, there we go. Holy shit. I was cooked. I think this was the day the market crashed. Must have been. October 10th. That sounds right. Bullish SMT there. Looks like we might run it. I want to see if this low is respected. Okay, beautiful. So, longs here. 50-point stop loss. 100-point take profit. They call me Mr. Balls. Trail to break even there. It's kind of some coward shit, honestly. Boom. W's in the chat. Chat, spam W's. Spam W's. Spam W's, chat. Right. I think we have SMT there. Barely. That's probably gonna get ran. Yeah, so that got ran. PXL based entry with this low here. I want to see what I can target. Gonna target like CE of this order block. The only thing is we have a gap right there that could just be getting filled. There's no gap on ES. Yeah, I'm just gonna short it. We've already ran almost 100 points. So I think this is a good target. Holy shit. That's cooked. That's pretty cooked right there, guys. I don't know. Alright, fuck that, dude. Yeah, so I should have waited for a little more confirmation in that case, honestly. If I was gonna trade, if I was gonna go short, I should have taken this right here. So yeah. Okay, this looks so terrible. What is going on here? Guys, this is so shit. I guess this was a pretty good entry, but Not worth it, guys. It's just not worth it. Okay. What are we doing here? We do have SMT going both ways, but we're displacing lower. I like to wait for a rebalance. Okay. Kind of missed the entry there, but you see this candle ranging lower. Probably gonna take that. Hello? Boom. Hello? No SMT there. Bearish SMT. We have bearish SMT. So it's 9:38. It's a little early. We didn't take the low before we displaced lower. Whoa. That's crazy, bro. I think I'm gonna take a long here. 35 points. Boom! Bang, bang, bang. Alright, what are we doing here? What are we doing here, guys? Just swept some highs there. Looks like we're gonna continue higher. I don't really want to target this high. Probably gonna target like CE of the order block. If we get a nice displacement candle to the upside. I literally hate when price does this, bro. Is it Monday? Yeah. Probably no news. Yeah, so this could be terrible, this could be good. Okay, we might want to come and take out these lows before moving higher. That's what I'm kind of leaning towards. Alright, we're getting stopped out right there. For sure. Yeah. For shody, yody, yody, yody. Alright. This looks like PXL right here with all these lows. Okay, so we just manipulated one more time. I think we're definitely going to run higher here. Okay, guess not. I guess not, bro. Next day. I kind of like how we're forming here. Bullish SMT there. I'm just gonna long it here, bro. This is A plus. A plus. For like a 1-to-1. I like it. Boom. Guys, I'm seriously contemplating getting max allo. I'm seriously contemplating it. Contemplating spending my rent money on max allocation with Top Step. What do you guys think? Comment down below what you think about it. Market open, we came up and swept these highs. This high right here. That high right there. We have some nice bearish SMT. I just want to see how we're reacting off that, if we are reacting. Okay. Coming up for all those stacked highs right there. This is PXH in real time. I'd like to target maybe like this high right here. See what my RR is there. Doesn't look too good. Okay, I'll take it. Dubs. Dubs. Friday the 24th, what are we doing? 9:45 PMI. CPI 8:30. So this is tricky because we want to enter somewhere in between 9:40 and 9:45, but we have 9:45 news. So I think the best route here is to just wait for the 9:45 news. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, some nice manipulation there. 9:48, I'm going to take shorts. Bearish SMT, we swept the data highs with CPI. Obviously, my stop loss would be getting trailed here. Okay, stopped out right there. I wonder if I targeted too much there. That should have worked out. I don't know what's going on. It only makes sense, but I guess the NASDAQ doesn't make sense sometimes. I think I was just targeting too much there. If I'm being totally honest. We do have bullish SMT with an external low here. I'm gonna take this. This is trash, bro. Alright. That was terrible. Monday the 27th. So Tuesday the 28th, we have 10 a.m. medium impact. And then Wednesday, FOMC, of course. My PC getting low, gang. Think we're almost done. So we do have SMT there. I like how this candle's looking. I think I'm gonna long this right here. I'm gonna long this right here. Okay. Would have been a 5-second trade, bro. Now we're just chopping. It's like a piano key right there, bro. Oh, looks like a piano. And then 9:45 rate statement, and then 2 p.m. FOMC. So bullish SMT here. Okay, this is terrible. Alright, October was notoriously shit. So I'm gonna end it there. But guys, W session, guys. Subscribe, like, my DMs, buy my course, and hide your bitch. Alright, peace.